EBEN CUTS. EBEN CUTS is a product name for our creativity support tools for the purpose of beautification, learning, reinforcement, and art integration. It is predominantly a resource out of the indigenous use of materials available to everyone with easy-to-use approaches. Our product line include EBEN CUTS classroom banners, EBEN CUTS display boards, EBEN CUTS instructive display boards, EBEN CUTS motivational display boards, EBEN CUTS classroom mobile, and EBEN CUTS window stickers. Our objectives are to standardize quality across schools, boost professionalism, raise the impact level in the classroom, promote culture and the practice of creativity in our schools, and to complement and reinforce learning. The benefits of our services: quick use, ease of installation, our services are user-friendly, there's direct integration, leverage of options, and our services are quality at affordable rates. Our product prices range from 300 naira to 1,500 naira.